Okay, so this is how we make the Pop Tart. We put it in the toaster oven, then we put it how much we want to toast, then we wait until it cooks. And it's going to take some time.
How much time?
Well, just until it cooks.
What do you do in the meantime?
You wait. And get out a plate, which we already have a plate. So it's just time to be patient. And our baby sister is sleeping right now, so this was a good time to do it when my dad and my dad and brother went to church.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just going to explain that these are the Pop Tarts. See?
Mm-hmm. What kind are they?
Strawberry.
Mmm.
And look at the packs. If I can get these wide open, then you could see.
Mm-hmm.
What you see. I'm going to close this up while you wait. Because we don't want to roast them all.
You keeping an eye on your Pop-Tart?
Yeah. Whoopee. They don't want to do that. What's their Pop-Tarts? Pop-Tarts can easily break. So don't drop them, okay?
Okay. Think it's about time.
Okay.
How are you going to get your Pop-Tart out?
Well, first we quick it. Then we take that down. And if it's too hot, just grab one of these and just slide it out.
That's a good idea.
Then you close it back up so all the hot air doesn't come all out.
Okay.
Then ta-da, there's your Pop-Tart.
Yeah? Is it all gooey inside now? Or is it too hot to touch?
It's a little bit hot to touch and it's gooey inside.
What's the verdict?
It's hot.
Yeah?
So, if it's hot, then you should just wait a few minutes for it to cool down.
Okay. All right. You tell me when we're wrapping this up.
Well, one thing before we wrap this up.
Okay.
By the minute, I'm James, and always check on PBS Kids to see if this show is on. Now time to wrap up.